Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Guys, sometime we want to share our stories only specific friends on the Snapchat. So in this video, I will show you how you can select the specific friends on the Snapchat story. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. Firstly, open the Snapchat and then select the profile icon at top left corner, and then you will see setting options at top right corner. Click on it and scroll down the page, and then you will see view my story options. Click on it, and if you select friends only, then all your friends can see your stories. And here if you will select on custom, then those friends which you will select and will not be able to see your stories, and then click on block options. So these person which you blocked on the story will not be able to see your story. So in this way you can select the friends on which you want to share your story. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks.